How to download Instagram videos on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can download Instagram videos on Android. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, you have to make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. You could head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram, and go ahead and either download or update the Instagram app. Once you've updated Instagram, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, let's say you want to download this particular video. As you can see, you have got multiple bunch of videos on this section. Let me just go ahead and try to download this one. In order to download it, at the bottom right corner you can see this little download like down arrow icon, and all you have to do is simply tap on this down arrow icon, and it will ask me whether I want to download this particular media file or whether download all of the media files on this particular post, as there are over 10 media posts on this screen. So what I will do is simply tap on the download button, and let's say download this media file right over here. This way you can easily download the Instagram videos from your feed. As let me just show you, you can see we have successfully downloaded the video onto our phone. Now the next thing I will show you is how you can download Instagram stories. So let me just go ahead and open any of the stories. Let's say for example, in order to download a particular story, let's say for example, all you have to do is tap on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen, you'll find this option called download. So all you have to do is tap on the download option in order to download and save this story. Now let me see whether we have downloaded or not. I will show you on my gallery both the videos as well as the story which we downloaded. And as you can see, the earlier video which we downloaded from the Instagram app, as well as also the story which we actually just downloaded. And this is how you could very easily download Instagram stories and videos on your Android phone. We hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.